Right, back live tonight here on In Focus, and thanks for staying on. The Democratic Alliance in the Northwest will seek an interdict over Eskom's decision not to conduct repairs in the Lichtenburg area. The area has been without lights for weeks now after the utility demanded the Ditsobotla local municipality pay some of its 1 billion rand debt before repairs can begin. DA Northwest leader Leon Basson joins us now for more on this. Leon, good to have you. Thank you very much for your time. So Eskom says we've had a meeting with the municipality to discuss a payment plan to no avail. The municipality is saying, well, we are in no position to service this 1 billion rand debt at all. In fact, our balance is in the negative. What other legal measures do we have in place to recover these fees? Of course, noting very clearly, the highest court in the land has already pronounced on this matter that Eskom cannot be cutting electricity to other paying customers because of municipal debt.
Well, that is correct, and that's why we're going back to court to get a ruling on this, because there is other means for the municipality to collect their money. There's intergovernmental relations that they could follow. There is equitable share that they can take from the municipality. But the mere fact to cut off electricity for end users that already paid their prepaid electricity, and there are customers in Lichtenburg that's got an agreement with Eskom, they pay Eskom directly and not to the municipality. They're also without electricity.
So, I mean, if Eskom says, well, we also don't have money, for example, to replace the pylons, or I know the transformer could have been repaired, you are saying, therefore, either provincial or national government should be stepping in at this particular point. What's the process? Is it the process of declaring the municipality under administration?
Well, look, this municipality was dissolved yesterday under Section 139(1)(c). So there was an election in December last year. We informed before that process started to say to the provincial government that there is a problem with the administration of that municipality. And by mere just replacing the councillors will not resolve the problems. And now it shows that that is the case. There needs to be assistance from to the municipality to get them financial viable again. But the fact to kill the town now with no electricity, big businesses that needs to close down because they can't afford to buy electricity or diesel anymore, that becomes a big problem, and that is not assisting the situation in that town. Let me just come back to the transformer that was vandalized. It was not the municipality's transformer that was vandalized. It was Eskom's own transformer that was vandalized. That transformer they already replaced, and the work was completed on the 10th of August. They had to energize now that portion that did not have electricity, and now they use that as a mechanism to keep a gun to the heads of the municipality to say, well, if you don't pay me, I'm not going to switch on the electricity. And that is not what should happen in this area. It's the people that stays in that municipality. It's their constitutional right to have electricity. Most of them do pay for the electricity. The fact that the municipality is in debt with Eskom, that is something Eskom needs to sort out. But you cannot harm someone that's already paid for the service, and now you say you can't get the service although you've already paid for it.
Have you made representations to the province at this point, or are you heading straight for a court order?
No. So what we've done was we wrote a letter to Eskom. Our attorneys have put them on terms. Asked them, they should give us reasons why we should not go to court. They've got time till 12 o'clock on Wednesday, till 2 o'clock on Wednesday. If they do not answer or energize the electricity in Lichtenburg, we will ask the court to assist us to force them to put that on.
Yeah. At what point are you going to be bringing in the MEC for Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs to intervene?
So we've already done that. At the same time, we wrote these letters to Eskom. The same letters went to the Premier of the province as well as the MEC for local government.
All right. And failing which you're saying your only other option then it is to go to court. What has been the impact, Leon? I mean, if you've spoken to the businesses there up until this point, from the 27th of July, so about 18 days or so, when the electricity has been off.
It's 19 days today. It will go into 20 days tomorrow. There is big businesses that they suffer at the moment. Smaller businesses, and if you look at how much money just the co-op have spent there on diesel, we talk about 25 only in the last financial year, 25 million rand just on diesel. You can expect what is going on and where we are today. We cannot let the people of Lichtenburg suffer because of maladministration of government and Eskom. They need to sort that out, but should not harm the interests of the community.
All right, that's DA MP there, Leon Basson, in the Northwest Province, saying Eskom has been given up until Wednesday at 12 to restore power in Lichtenburg, or otherwise they are pursuing this matter in the courts.